Here we are on the Crawford connector. Got a friend with us today. Anything to say?
I'm ready.
Ready to go?
Yep.
What are you up to today?
What do you mean?
What are you doing?
Nothing, just hiking a mountain.
Nothing. Should be up to the famous Crawford path shortly. Making our way up to Mount Pierce. John attempting his fifth 4,000 footer. Looking to make my third in all 4 seasons. Warm to start, at least 70 degrees. But it's going to be a beautiful day. Check in a bit.